Hello guys, today we are gonna be doing an emerald portion randomizer nuzlocke. If any of you who don't know what a randomizer is, it's basically something where everything is randomized, almost everything. Yeah, I'll leave the
Well, after that great explanation, shit, well, I ruined that. But after that great explanation, I think it's time for me to step in a little bit. Well, while this guy is speaking, which I will be skipping through like a lot, I'll be doing my intro first for all my fans. And damn, did guy, okay, not gonna bother with that. Well, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video here with me, Mr. Unfortunate. And today I'm here with Wolf the Slayer, aka Piyush. And today we're gonna film a randomizer Nuzlocke. And as you can see, Professor Oak has a freaking celebi in which is a damn mythical or legendary depending on what type of person you are.
Firstly, that isn't oak, that is birch.
Gorge, some professor, okay? Move on. Also,
if you
now for any of you who
Manas's real name is Mr. Unfortunate's real name is
Manas's real name is Manas. Manas's real name is Manas. Geniuses. Okay, for any of you who don't know what a Nuzlocke is, you clearly new to Pokemon, so welcome. Shit will be chaos here. A Nuzlocke is basically where if a Pokemon fails, it dies, so we'll be sad. And to make it even worse, we need to nickname them so that we're even more sad when they die. Also, to make things even shittier and worse for us, we can only catch the Pokemon we see we can only catch the first Pokemon we see on each route.
Manas, I'm in the truck, where are you?
I think I'm in the other truck. I need to ask, why is her mother so stingy? As a truck, she just threw us in behind a truck. Was there not a seat left?
Exactly. I guess she doesn't
Like,
know
she's-
how to drive.
I don't think she drove it because by the time we reached, she was already inside her house.
This figure of 88 is here. Let's see what he becomes.
You're clearly ahead of me.
Go up and now we need to set up the block. I'm just gonna
One of the rare times where we actually know who our dad is in Pokemon.
exactly.
But okay, what time is it?
Yep, there. I'm not gonna set it to the real time. I just set it to 12. 12
But you set it to 12? I set it to 12 AM.
No, get lost. I don't want the adventure rules, I swear. Okay.
Haha, dumbass. While you're doing that, I'm making the clock to 12 AM.
Nihal,
This sucks.
Manas, I'm already down with
I have now evolved from Manas into a Nihar because of Piyush.
Bruh, get
Oh
off
shit,
it,
Manas
you're-
was. You're on the interview, I'm still setting up the damn clock. The whole episode from my side is just gonna be me trying to set up the damn thing.
Okay, Porch Idiot, where are you? I'm going into the grass.
Hello, mom.
Never mind, this is not Fire Red. I need to go to the actual lab.
I took so long to set up a clock, the whole crew finished setting up a whole new house. Why? Why must they hurt me this way? I get it, I was slow. Okay, move on. What the hell just happened? I think I just
This
warped
Porch
reality.
Idiot here. I guess I gotta enter the lab, then this idiot will let me through. Come on, what?
Yeah, now you enter the lab, then go out in the grass and you'll see Birch attacked by Pushiana normally, but let's see what will be now. Okay, since Piyush is clearly ahead of me, I'm about to warp reality for like 2
No,
seconds.
this idiot, it won't work. I swear. I forgot how
I
it
am warping realities.
works. I guess we gotta go in this house and meet our rival.
Yeah, so now we're finally on the same page because you also screwed up.
Mana,
E? E?
why the hell are you a girl?
Ah,
Why are you a girl?
I ain't a girl. I am a boy, I can confirm that.
No,
I just
you're
need to get
just a
that out
girl.
there. I gotta buy Pokemon here, isn't that right? Never mind, I was stealing from Piyush, my bad. Piyush, you're a girl.
This one
Piyush,
is a girl.
you could have told me the truth about yourself. No need to hide.
No, I'm a boy, okay?
Yeah. Wait, how did you name May? I mean, it's just showing May for
I
me.
didn't name you. I just called you. Come on,
But that
get
makes
lost, my
sense.
little girl. Let me go.
Piyush hates girls confirmed. Cancel him.
Help me. Yes, I'm helping you. By the way, it's not a good
45 minute expose video coming out on Piyush.
Let's see what I have here.
Help me. Okay, yeah.
Sneeze.
Wait, don't tell me which one you took, okay? No, don't tell me which one you took, dumbass.
Okay, minus they all are OP.
Well, I need to take a look at this then. Sneasel, Snorlax, Feraligatr. Oh my god.
Wow, I guess this didn't get changed.
Feraligatr, Sneasel,
I
Snorlax.
took the Snorlax. You know why?
I was about to take the Snorlax. Why did you tell me that? Screw you. Taking the Feraligatr.
Because like for catching Pokemon, I don't want the attacker to be too strong. Otherwise, it'll just one shot it.
Through you, I wanted a Snorlax, but I can't because of you.
Sure, but
Couldn't wait 2 seconds. Bruh, look at Feraligatr. Feraligatr thick. Feraligatr thick over here.
Did I actually decline the naming my Pokemon?
You dumbass, you had one job. One.
I think I did decline it.
You're a dumbass.
Okay, I haven't nicknamed him, but I'm gonna call him what I was gonna nickname him. I'm just gonna call him
Piyush failed the Nuzlocke. I instantly win. Screw this shit.
No, shut up. My first battle. What? There's a Grovyle in the grass?
I'm about to get 2 starters. Yes, I got the Feraligatr. Demon Slayer.
Huh? The
No,
Grovyle has
yes, I'm not
Moltres?
with it.
I'm unaffected.
Moves are other moves they get is randomized as well. But then you didn't realize that until now because this is a bruh. The way you say bruh, man.
I just said
I have come up with the best username.
let's go to route
Ask me
103.
that.
By the way, that wasn't my first encounter like that, okay? I hadn't received the Pokeball yet.
Yeah, I don't think counts after you get Pokeballs. Otherwise, I would have been horrible. You would have been forced to kill that shit.
I had a Pokeball. I didn't have Pokeball.
Also, now with Piyush loses since he sucks at the game. What the hell is
There is a
that?
Quilava on the route 103. We get in more
Is it just-
starters.
It's the route of starters.
Exactly.
Well, want me to warp reality? Just say it and I will, because I now have that
The
power.
Quilava had Hydro Cannon.
Aquilava, Hydro Cannon. Piyush, I think you're talking about the wrong Pokemon.
No,
Warp reality.
it was a fire mouse thingy. It was about to use Hydro Cannon. What?
Look at that great thick little Feraligatr.
Sleepy boy learned poison powder.
Named him Sleepy Boy. Screw you, stole my strategy for all the boys. But no, okay, for everyone on my side of the screen you can see it, but if one of you being a dumbass is watching Piyush's video before mine, you can watch the video, just watch mine before please. My Feraligatr is in
I see. Very easy to be.
way to interrupt me. Screw you. Okay, yeah. So for anyone who didn't realize, my Feraligatr is named Oh Shit He. So every time he does anything, it will say Oh Shit He. Like for example, if my Feraligatr were happen to level up, it is Oh Shit He leveled up. I am a comedy genius. I know. Move on.
No, he copied it from me. I've seen that.
Screw you.
What?
You can't prove me wrong if I don't accept
How
it.
the hell does this Sharpedo know roll out? It's supposed to be a
It's a
fish.
sharp. Yeah. This is a ball toy. I do not want that as my encounter. Not gonna lie.
Okay, I killed the Sharpedo. I don't know. I wouldn't have lost anyways. 187 XP for level 7.
May, let's see. Oh, I'm about to fight me and kick her ass. Let's see what's about to happen. And turn. Piyush, you're ruining all the surprises for me by telling me everything. You know what? No, it's a Hitmonlee. Screw you, it's a Hitmonlee.
Hey, it's randomized for both of us.
Ye-
Fog.
Oh, Fog.
I 100% have to heal my Pokemon. I don't wanna lose it before it's done.
Look at my thick fur alligator. Like they did fur alligator dirty by changing his like sprite later on. Oof. Laser wind, wasn't super
By the way,
effective.
I won't be going up that escalator this time. It's just useless.
Huh? What escalator? Oh, that escalator.
In the Pokemon Center, it's just completely useless.
This stupid little thing. I have not lost yet. For alligator doesn't die. He's like Technoblade. Well, he can die later. But you see, cause the Nuzlocke doesn't start until I get Pokeballs.
I'm about to begin. I'm about to get the Pokeballs.
How? Piyush is hacking.
I beat me on the first try. Thank you for the Pokeball.
I need to beat her, otherwise I can't even progress. Screw this shit. Don't have to do so much YouTuber offline grinding. I can get a 9 tails. I'm about to turn into Naruto if I catch this. If I get a 9 tails as my encounter, all the Naruto fans knows.
My Nuzlocke has officially begun.
Crew, you have not even defeated me yet. There's a Tauros as well. I'll name it 3 tails if I get it.
Also, I chose a Snorlax because it's like very. Wait, what? Hey, I'm about to get the running shoes thingies.
How?
Running shoes, yeah.
X.
Come on, let me go. Worker.
X. I think we need to stall Piyush somehow. I am so damn behind. I need to warp realities. Ah shit, stupid thing.
Okay, then let me equip fast text. That'll give me a lead. He doesn't even know how to do that.
Ah. The hell is fast text? Oh yeah, I found the Quilava.
Okay, Mana.
Honestly, don't
I'm
want
about to see what my encounter is.
Stupid thing prevents me from escaping.
Let's see. It's a Zigzagoon!
Trash.
Stupid little piece of shit. Get in my pocket.
All of you are watching my screen. I'm a comedy genius.
Get in my
That
pocket.
shit thing has hydro cannon. Excuse me, I think we're playing the wrong game.
It has hyper voice. Okay, I poisoned the Zigzagoon. It should be easier to catch now.
I poisoned the Quilava. But you're about to catch that shit. I, on the other hand, killed it. There's a difference.
I
I think I'm at level 6. Hopefully, I don't get destroyed. I have less health though this time, so it might actually be worse. Shit, going in the wrong direction.
Okay,
There's a ho. There's a ho. Ain't messing with that shit. Warp realities. Move on. I had to warp realities a little bit, guys. Sorry, my bad. This stupid Hitmonlee and your stupid karate high jump kick activation. Secret power. I paralyzed it. Let's go.
You guys may not know this, but like if this gets belly drum, this is gonna be the most cracked Pokemon in my game. In my inventory thingy.
In my game.
This is gonna be one of the most cracked Pokemon I have. If it gets
Paralysis didn't work at all. Screw this shit.
okay, so I'm gonna name him Needle.
And let's go ahead and crush claw him. Honestly, I don't have that great moves. Really regret choosing for alligator. Oh shit, he grew up to level 8. Oh shit, he is trying to learn. Oh shit, he can't learn more than 4 moves. Comedy genius.
Okay, I need to cure this dude's poison. He's gonna die. Ah? Ah? My what?
Oh shit.
My Snorlax is poison and dragon type. Ability battle armor.
Wait, you randomized types as well. You're a dumbass. You had one job.
See, battle armor. I can't. My Snorlax can't get critted. Oh.
Wait, let me check my Pokemon. Did he just lag out? Ah shit, I think he lagged out.
Okay, this Zigzagoon can't die like straight up. It's
I have shell armor. It's the same thing. I just block critical hits with a different name.
Come on.
Wait, what type is my fur alligator? How do I explain it? I have a normal type fur alligator. Why was this done to me? Why am I so behind? My video is gonna last longer, just so we're clear, since this dumbass had to go so far ahead of me. I'm fast forwarding reality.
I have to take 2 more steps and then heal him.
Okay, now it's time for my encounter. Ah, come on, mom. What do you want from me? Oh, I got running shoes. Nice.
Huh? This dude has
I am
and high
speed.
voice. Okay.
I get a Blissey for my encounter. Let's shit, which is the weakest move I have? The summary. 70 damage. Confuses 80 damage.
What the hell am I
75. Yeah, secret power is my best chance. Oh shit, he used secret power. No, the shitty thing died. Well, to be fair, I had 6 levels and it did not expect it to survive. And now I'm on level 9, so it'll be even harder to catch Pokemon. Isn't this fun, guys?
I healed my Zigzagoon with the 1 potion that I had.
I could have had a Grovyle, but no, I got a shitty Blissey which I didn't even catch. Screw
Even
this
I
shit.
could have had a Grovyle. I got a Manas.
I am not Nihar. Can we please just confirm that I have not evolved yet? Oh wait, is this a new route? Oh wait, no, I just went through Old Hill Town. Okay, wait, this can be a new route,
I
right?
am gonna go into the next route Manas, route 103. Let's get my.
I get a ball toy as my encounter. You just made my game shitty, didn't you? I get a Blissey and then a ball toy. Screw you.
No, I gave you the same thing that I have.
Sure. Secret power is about to knock. He survived on 1 health. Yes. Yes. Oh shit, he can't escape now.
10 Pokeballs, thank you. And I'm gonna.
Where's my
buy
Pokeballs at? Okay, there we go.
4 potions.
Come on.
And 1 antidote.
I got a bad toy. Let's go. Screw you, Piyush. This bad toy is gonna be the most OP Pokemon in the game. Look, it's gonna have like Mewtwo stacks, okay?
Look at its typing first.
I can't see that until I give it a nickname. What the hell do I want to nickname it?
I got a war turtle.
Screw you. I'm gonna name him Disappointment since I'm disappointed.
No, I'm disappointed in war turtle. It has drought.
Oh? Oh my god! Wait, but it won't be a water type.
Exactly. Yeah.
Why are you disappointed?
I want
Ah shit. Imagine if it is a water type.
What? It has outrage.
And here you are it's a dragon type water. What the hell? Then you complain, what the hell do you want, an Arceus?
Needle dude to die. Okay, no. Needle dude, you're going back in after this. Oh, it's a rock type.
Warping realities. Okay, so now if I lose a Pokemon, it's GG for me. I could have had 3 tails. Or 9 tails. For anyone on Piyush's video who doesn't understand what I mean when I say 3 tails, I could have had a Tauros, damn it.
He could have gotten an Eco.
I do not remember his name, I just remember he's called 3 tails.
Huh? Wait, what? No, it's a ground
What up?
type. Wait, what? Wait,
Wait, so drought is actually pretty useless on it.
I can't do anything. I'm just gonna chuck Pokeballs at it.
Okay, now let's look at this ball toy and see if he's a disappointment or not.
This is gonna take some time.
I have two normal type Pokemons, both of them have shell armor. Did you even randomize my game or not?
This is
I have try attack, everything should fear me.
I used a Premier Ball. Let's hope this gets in. Never.
Oh yeah, wait, shit, you can get Premier Balls in this generation. Some more Pokeballs that I'm about to get an encounter.
Oh no. My Snorlax will die.
A Pokeball, no. Okay, quick tip for anyone. Huh?
I think I'll take the
I can't buy 10 of them, I'm broke cause I lost a battle to me, no.
one,
A quick tip for anyone who isn't broke.
two.
Screw you, ruining all my words, man.
Buddy. Crosstalk didn't miss. I'm so grateful. Am I?
I'm just disappointed. I have a Golbat.
Oh,
A
okay.
grass type Golbat.
Fine, I
Why not name it grass type?
Okay, back.
Huh?
Oh,
Okay, ball. Disappointment, my attack speed died.
remember, I have 4 potions. I can catch this 4 toys. Or turtle thingy.
What when you press B on a war turtle halfway through evolution? What's it called? What toys? Haha, comedy genius.
What toys? What toys? Okay.
Is a toy you use for wars. Okay, war toys. Comedy
Oh
genius.
no. This war turtle will kill itself via the confusion.
Not screw this shit. Let's go ahead and start checking Pokeballs out now.
It's in yellow zone. This should be much more easier to it just escaped immediately as I was about to say.
Same here, bro. Are we playing the same version, right? Ah, shit, we are playing the same version. It has extreme speed.
Come on, get in the Pokeball, you idiot. Get
One,
in. Stop
two,
breaking free.
3.
Stop,
Oh my god, Golbat.
Useless. Huh? You got a Golbat?
It was
Which route did you go on?
the left route of old route. Give a nickname, obviously.
Bro, what the hell? I could catch it better when it was in its like the other zone.
It's luck,
when it was in
Yush.
its green zone. I swear, God order, I am going to catch you, okay?
You're gonna run out of Pokemons and then you'll only be stuck with 2 Pokemon forever.
3? No!
Am I really doing this? Wait, does this fit? No, it doesn't fit. Fast.
I'ma take this turn to potion this too.
I have come up with another great nickname that for once I did not steal from a meme. I am a god, bow down to me. Okay, now let's check what type this Pokemon is. It's a female, so now I finally have a female Pokemon.
Oh, it was the
It's an ice type Golbat. It's an ice type Golbat with Protect, Razor Leaf and Bubble Beam. Yes! Okay, so now guys, I feel like we should end the video. Also, I'll be doing a little YouTuber of grinding. Don't worry, it won't be too much.
Wait, we'll end the video after I catch this 4 toys. What
Okay guys, I can make my videos 17 hours long, so I'll end mine and I'll wait until Piyush ends his.
No! This is not good.
He's gonna run out of Pokeballs, never mind.
Flamethrower? Ah! This is an OP war turtle, bruh.
Okay, now I definitely don't want him to catch it. But wait, let me just show you guys where we're at. So we have a level 9 oh shit he, a level 3 disappoint, and a level 3 fast girl with a U, don't mess it up. Fast girl, I was gonna name it boy with an I, but you told that plus it's a girl.
Get in the damn What?
Okay, so not there level 3 and level 9. There are a total of level 15. I'll get the other two to like level 6 or something. Or like level 5, which I don't know, okay? I just hopped realities too fast, damn it.
Turtle. What the hell?
Can you catch this shitty thing already? I wanna end the video.
One.
Please, what did I do to you?
I got
Not
it.
let's beat up bro.
Yes.
As soon as I enter a battle, screw you! Okay, wait. Now just come back to old roots Pokemon Center and you can end the video, please. This has gone too long. What did I do to you, man?
I'm naming him War Toys.
Great War Toys, the War Turtle. This video has gone for 25 minutes. If you're still here, kudos to you. If you survived through me and Piyush's boring video.
There is
I know I'm roasting myself, but it's the truth. Where are you? I'm waiting for you, damn it.
Shit. I can't name.
Did he just randomly yell out kick?
No.
Are you done or not? That's all I need to ask you. Are you done or not?
I'ma heal Pokemon and then be back.
Does anyone know where do I need get to buy a gun? Definitely asking for a friend.
Go to Pokemon.
Technically I am. I need to shoot him. Okay, you know what? Screw him. I'll end his video later. I gotta end mine now. This has gone long enough.
Okay, so guys, that's all for today. We're gonna get.
Hey, where's my outro? Screw you. Hey, shit, I said my intro. So I guess that's it for this video. Bye guys.